Every electronic gadget needs a reliable clock with a stable signal as its heartbeat. For almost a century, quartz's piezoelectric properties have kept clock circuits ticking. And Epson, the world's largest supplier of timing devices, manufactures quartz crystals, oscillators, and real-time clocks for various industries, such as automotive, networking, consumer solutions, and industrial and IoT. The high-precision manufacturing process starts with synthetic quartz production, where natural crystals are heated and grown, moved through stringent rounds of cleaning and inspections, before being cut and lapped to form crystal wafers. Wafers are etched using photolithography, where protective layers are added to the wafer and exposed to light, patterned and shaped, forming the crystal chips. During assembly, the crystal chips are cleaned before two metal electrodes are sputtered to it. The crystal is mounted inside the ceramic package with special conductive glue, and the metal electrode is trimmed until the crystal's desired oscillation frequency is reached. A metal lid is applied and seam welded onto the package, which is sealed. The package is then tested before the final inspection, and its lid is laser marked. Approved parts move to the final visual inspection, performed with automated high-speed cameras. They are packaged and ready to be used with a printed circuit board for devices in any industry.